your RDC chair, my desire is to expand our Asenso brand of governance of the region, to catalyze more progress for all of Northern Mindanao. We have always been resilient, dynamic, and forward-looking, but today we are called to be more, to be bolder, to be a region where prosperity is not just an aspiration, but a guarantee for every family. This is the momentum we must sustain. This is why our shared battle cry, our unifying vision is simple yet powerful. Mas Asenso Northern Mindanao. Mas Asenso means more progressive. It means deeper, more inclusive, and more sustainable development. It is the compass that will guide our collective efforts in the coming term. And to ensure that we turn this vision into reality, we will organize our priority development trust around the very letters of our battle plan.